Hey everybody, it's the Fox here, and today we're going to play Sled Saga. So I've actually been playing this game for a while, and it's actually pretty fun. So let's start. I'm of course the mushroom guy thing. Mushroom license. Yep, that's me. And here are my dogs so far. I have 4 dogs. Yeah, that's me right there, writing in my journal or whatever I'm doing. So these are my dogs. Lotus, she's a girl. I don't know why I named her Lotus. I only named two dogs. This one, I named her Lotus. This one is Maya. I didn't name her. It was already came with that name. So yeah, that's Maya. She's the leader of my, sled thing. And that's Martin. He's the, the fame guy, I guess you can call him. And the other one that I named is, Yoshi. I don't know why I called her Yoshi, but Yoshi, no, Yoshi. I love you, Yoshi. So I have Yoshi, Lotus, and Maya are girls. Martin is the only boy of the group. Yeah, get that love. Alright, so I guess we should, yeah, proceed with training. Okay. Add. Okay, let's go. Alright. Skill. Alright, I forgot. I don't have a Lotus on my team. Yoshi's just here for some reason. Yoshi, I don't need you on my team. I need a Lotus. There you go. Yay! Alright, so this is my team. So you can see it's Lotus, Martin, and Maya. My team right there. Yoshi, you're just there because I wanted you there. Come on, proceed with the days. Yeah, get your skill up. Yay. Are y'all happy with me? Oh, good. Oh, still okay. Great, good. Good. Yay, Yoshi. Why don't you like me that much? You should be great. Go. Skill. Yay. Skills for everyone except for Yoshi. Alright, so next is I'm gonna care for my dog. Proceed. Oh, another note from Rayleigh. Rayleigh, I don't know. Rayleigh told me about Aurora's disappearance. Like any good pet owner, Aurora's caretaker had developed a very strong bond with her. He told that he had sensed an unusual stoic? I have no idea what that is. Stoic mood in her the night before. In hindsight, he said he thought she knew. Sorry, guys. In hindsight, he said he thought she knew she was leaving. He once again used the word mysterious. Ooh, mysterious. Ooh, fun. Sure. No, I said yes. Okay. Oh, you have no skill. Alright, let's race today, I guess. Let's go. Proceed. No. Lotus. No, Lotus, you're not. Maya, you're my lead dog. Yay. Okay, and Martin, you're my middle dog. No. Yeah. Okay, that's good enough. Let's start. Alright, so it's windy and there's one obstacle. I can do this. Come on, guys, don't slack off. No, I'm terrible. Yes. Go, Maya. Lotus. Maya. Oh no, no. Yes. 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 Come on. Yeah, we did it. Yay. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Yes. Wait, what? No. Resume. I don't know why I did that. Eat. Ah. No. Don't reject the food. Go, Maya. Eat. Eat, Lotus. Go, Martin. Yes. Dancer. Prancer. Rudolph. Crap. No. No, Maya. Go, Martin. Go, Lotus. Yeah. Yay. Alright. I don't want that tree to get me. Alright. Alright, eat up, Maya. Yeah. Yeah, I don't want y'all to get tangled up there. Lotus, you're hungry. No, Lotus, eat it. Maya, you're hungry too. Yeah, alright. Go, Martin. Eat. Eat. Eat, Maya, eat. Eat, Lotus. Ah, Lotus. Come on. Go. Come on, Maya, we can win this. Yeah, we did it. First place. Yes. Alright. Lotus, wheel specialty level 2. Alright. Yeah, get that fame up. Maya. Perfect, you leveled up. Good job. Okay. Yeah. Good job, guys. Y'all raced perfectly. Alright. So, fame. Ask Rayleigh. The good catch skill. Ooh. When his skill kicks in, he can lunge out of his position to catch stray throws. Oh. Martin. Maya's skill. Maya has Light Eater skill. When her skill kicks in, she can enter an energy efficient mode made tire slowly for a time. Oh, cool. What's Lotus's? Lotus, you're my favorite dog. Lotus's skill. Lotus has a second wind skill. When her skill kicks in, she can will themselves to recuperate when tired. That's cool. Maya has a fault. Maya has the choke fault. Sure. When her fault kicks in, she will lose her gusto while close to an opponent. Oh no, Maya. You're my best dog. Yoshi's fault. Yoshi has the too proud fault. When her fault kicks in, she will stop showing that she's struggling. Okay. Lotus's favorite? Oh, yes, I wanted to find this out. Lotus's favorite thing is the perfectly timed catches. Ooh, she will get a happiness boost from catching perfectly timed throws. Alright. What's Martin's favorite? Martin's favorite thing to do is placing up. He will get happiness boost for passing other teams. Okay, that's cool. And Maya's? What is it? Maya's favorite thing is Victor. Oh, I knew it, because Maya's the leader. She will get happiness from winning races. Alright. Good to know, good to know. Yoshi's breed. Shih Tzus are a sturdy, small mix between Shih Tzus and miniature poodles, based on Milo. Who's Milo? Milo's Law, from the creators of Phineas and Ferb. Yes, quick errands. I want to expand on my kennel. It costs 8,000 and I only have 1,000. 20 days till my rent is due. Alright, so guys, we're gonna need a train. Yes, train. Okay. Okay. We're gonna need to take care of you guys. Alright, yeah, rest up there. Alright, it's cool. Alright, that's nice. Okay. So yeah, guys, this is, you know, this game is really cool. I really love it. So y'all should really install this game, Sled Saga. It's like, this is literally one of the best games I've ever downloaded. Oh, guys, just to tell you guys some information, I was going to do a PewDiePie's Tuber Simulator, you know, let's play, I guess. I don't know what to call it. Gameplay. Bye, guys.